Hey everybody, it's Abby. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to be cleaning off my desk for like the 15th time on my channel, so if you've seen it before, I'm sorry, but this is going to be a little bit different. I got some new stuff to organize with it. So I'm just going to clean it off for now, and then I will start reorganizing. So this can go in the laundry because it's kind of dirty. Sorry if you can't even see it very well because it's dark outside. I'm trying the best with this ring light. I'm just cleaning everything with this alcohol spray. It's just like the 70% isopropyl alcohol. I clean my brushes with it. I clean my mirror with it. Pretty much everything. That layer of makeup dust off of everything. I want a new desk at some point, but it's not going to happen anytime soon. Hopefully when I get my own place I can get one that's like an L-shaped by itself, because right now I kind of have this L-shaped setup with two different desks, and if you're going to be able to see if I move this over, probably not. So I have two different desks that are different height, and it's just kind of annoying. So hopefully I can get one that's all one piece, and I can like sit in the middle because there's legs in the middle there, so I can't really sit there. So I found one that I like, but it's just gonna be a while. I don't need one. This one works perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong with it, so I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna keep this, even though this is empty, because I depotted the shadows that are in there, but I use this for a mirror because it has a really good mirror in it, and I like Kat Von D's designs on stuff, so I'm just gonna keep that as a mirror. Then I do have some stuff that I'm still testing out, so I have something to put that in here in a moment. Oh, I can throw this away now. This is from my Petit Vour unboxing last month. They're actually really late this month, so I don't know when that's going to be here, but when I get it I will do a separate video instead of with my no-buy. These 7th generation tissues have lasted me forever. I've had the same box for months and months and months. All the makeup dust, all the cat hair, the coffee stains. This, I don't know what that is. It's been there since I can remember. It's not nail polish either, because I tried to use acetone on it. It didn't work. I figured out a better system to do with this thing, because it's kind of, all this brow stuff that I've got up there is kind of cluttered. I tried to mess with the settings on the camera. I don't think it helped any. And in case you're wondering, no, I cannot put the camera back there, because there is no room back there. That's let me show you. My ring light is literally jammed between the desk and the window. And then I've got my mirror, my MacGyver set up for the mirror to show me the viewfinder on the camera when I'm filming with the camera in the ring light, because my screen doesn't flip up to where I can see it, so I put a mirror behind it, and I had to stack it up on those boxes so I could see it, and it'll be level with the camera. So I'm working with what I got. Hopefully, if I get a new place and I have a nicer desk, a bigger place to set up, I can have the camera or have the desk kind of in the middle of the floor, so I can have more room behind it for lighting and such. Okay, so first thing, I'm just going to start on this side where I would put there. So I've got palettes in here that I don't want to put in, because I have a drawer with a couple palettes in it, but these I don't want to put in there. This is just the Unicarton from the Blood Sugar palette. I don't know if I want to keep, I think I want to keep this because it has a lot of information about the palette on it. So this thing is actually going to move over to my office, which is around the corner. And then I got this one So all the new stuff that I got is from Home Goods. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, Home Goods. And I've got like a couple of these white matching, not really matching like this pattern, but they're all white metal or acrylic. So I'm going to set that up. They had a pretty decent sized display of this stuff that I have not taken the tags off of yet. This was $5.99. Take that off. I hate taking off these tags because they're not one solid piece. They're kind of perforated and just do whatever they want. Okay, so I'm going to replace it with that. And that's quite a bit wider than that one, so it'll less likely to fall over, at least I hope. It's kind of crooked, but it's metal, so I can just bend it. No, it's still not right. Oh, this should be okay. Let's see if the blood sugar palette will fit in there. I don't think it will. No. It will not fit, so I have to find something else to do with that. I'll probably have to live in the drawer, sadly. So I'm going to put the Z palette in there. And then I'll put the Shanaxo palette there, just because I'm panning that, so I wanted to keep it out. And then this one I want to keep it out too, because it has a lot of basics in it. And I am trying to pan, ooh, that's good lighting, you can see the dips in that. Usually you can't. But I'm trying to use up those too. That's what came out of this palette here that I use as a mirror now. Because I lost my other mirror. I had a little black one from Sephora, and I don't know where it's at. Okay, so palettes are out of the way. Keep those in the corner there, just so they're not in the middle. And now for the rest of the stuff, I am not sure what I want to do. So I have this thing, which has a handle that you can move around. It's got compartments. And I also have this thing, which is like, you can't really see it very well, but it's like a tilted, move the camera. So it's like a slanted, like 3-tier shelf thing. So I don't know which one I want to use for which. Actually, I think what I'm going to do is just keep this one for like pens, pencils, notebooks, and stuff on the other side of my desk. And then I'll put makeup in this one. So I've got, I think I'm actually going to keep this organizer right here with all my lipsticks and my hand sanitizer and all that kind of stuff. And oh my gosh, I'm an idiot. You see what's in the back of that? The mirror. Why did I put it there? And then I have these two baskets. This one has stuff that I am testing out that's new. This one has some Project Pan stuff in it. So I'm going to try to put that all in this one. And I can't get any farther away, I don't think. So you can even see what I'm doing. So I think I'm going to go with the new stuff on top. So I have the Milani setting sprays. So I'm going to put those up there. Can't even really see, but oh well. This needs to go probably to the bathroom somewhere. This is the Dr. Bronner soap. And these ColourPop concealers, I still need to test them out. I've used them quite a few times, but I'm still not really sure. So those will go up there. This Delectable Everything Balm. I need to put that in my purse, but I'm going to test it a few more times before I do that. And it's Anastasia Stick Foundation. I'm going to put that. What if I turn this light down? Is that going to help? Maybe. I don't know. Oh my gosh, this is driving me nuts. And then I have these two Kat Von D liquid lipsticks. So I'm gonna, yes, those are really gray. It's not the color. That's not the camera. It's actually they're both gray tones. So I'm gonna put those up there. It's Dose of Colors liquid lipstick. Put that up there too. Watch, all those are gonna get knocked over as soon as I move that thing. Elf glitter primer. And then this Elf eyeshadow stick, and then this Elf glitter applicator. I need to try those all out, so I'll put those up there. And this is empty. You know, I can put something else in it in another drawer or something. Ooh, you know what? problem solved. And then now on the bottom I can put my project pan stuff. So, spoiler alert, this is actually empty, but I'm going to keep it there just so I don't forget to put it in the project pan update. And then this concealer, also spoiler alert. My blush, this other foundation, this palette, powders, might line those up like that. And these look like pencil type products. I have no idea. There. And these, I forgot about those. They were like buried in there, but I'm going to put those up there with the stuff to try. This is samples from Derma E. Okay, now that one's empty too. Sweet. But I don't know where I want to put that. Because this thing used to live back there. No, I don't know what I'm going to do with that one. Run out of room already. Probably the best place for that is right there, honestly. And then I'll just have the palettes like sideways there. Seems like a good idea. Emphasis on seems like. Oh yeah, then I can just have that there. It covers up that massive hole that you're supposed to put cords in. Okay, take our business now. I've got all this room to do stuff. And I showed this in my last haul. It's just a little cut from Hobby Lobby, and I put glass beads in the bottom of it just so the products kind of sit up high so I can see them. So I've got all my eye products like eyeliners, primers, mascara, brow stuff, all that. I think it'll be okay just maybe right there or right here because it won't fall off. It's too heavy. So, well, of course I say that and I'll probably knock it off at some point. And then I usually keep this right in the middle here just so I can see myself. Oh, there you can see myself now. Okay, now I'm moving over here. So that clanging is the lens cap. Okay, so I'm going to put those aside for now. And I've got my perfumes in this candle holder, so I'm just going to leave them in there and put them back here. I've got these oils that probably need to go to the bathroom. I really don't know about this one. It's the Connie Moon Milk. It was in my last Petit Vour box. The smell, it's not a bad smell, but it literally smells the exact same as a perfume that my grandma wears all the time, which is not bad, but it's kind of weird for me, so I don't know. And it's really strong too, like I cannot get away from the scent. It doesn't dull down. So I really don't know. It's like a shimmering body oil, or like that. This came out like a little bit before the Fenty one, honestly. So I just don't know what I'm going to do with it, because like even this bottle is closed. The last time I used it was in that haul, and every now and then I get a whiff of it even though the bottle's closed, and it doesn't leak or anything, so I have no idea what's going on with it. This argan oil, I need to put that in the bathroom and use up my other one. And this lotion I'll keep there. Okay, I need to remember to wash these, so I'll throw them over with my dirty clothes just so I can use them. You're supposed to wash them first. And then this mirror I'll just put somewhere, I don't know. Okay, now the next thing is my brushes. So I kind of did a test run with these. I'll just put that sponge, kind of just used it so it's still wet. But I did a test run with these yesterday, and I got rid of a few just because they didn't fit. So I got this organizer. It's got 4 compartments, and it spins, which is really handy. So I put them all in there, and there's a few that didn't fit, and a few that I just don't want to keep anymore. So this Morphe contour brush, which is really like not for me. And then this EcoTools fan brush is too big for highlighter and stuff, so I don't really use it. These Morphe brushes, I don't support Morphe anymore anyways, and then this Urban Decay brush, because Urban Decay is on my parent company. I like the brush, but it's still good, so I can wash these and pass them along to somebody else. But now for the brushes, so what I did, I'll take one compartment and put like powder brushes in it. except for this one. This one's too big. I gotta put it in another one. Which I use this one only for powder foundation. And then I will put this one that I use for blush, and those I use for highlight and contour. My setting brush, and then I'm gonna put like foundation brushes in another one. And then this one I use for contour sometimes, so I'll put that in there too. And then all of my eye brushes miraculously fit in this one. Oh, oops. That's what I thought would happen. And these, I have coffee beans in them, and one got stuck, so I need to get it out. So if you're looking for an alternative to like the glass beads and stuff in your brush holders, I would suggest coffee beans, because they don't really like spoil because they're dried anyways, and they smell good. So then you can just compost them or do whatever. I wouldn't grind them and make coffee afterwards, you know. Just compost or throw them outside or something instead of throwing them away. There we go. All my brushes fit in this one little thing. And this was also from Home Goods. I think it was $6.99 or something like that. Super cheap for a brush holder. If you went out and bought like a designated brush holder, it would probably be a lot more than that. And I'm going to reuse these pots for flowers, because they are technically flower pots. They're from IKEA. And the brushes, for now, are going to stay back there. When I'm doing my makeup, I can slide it forward, because it has felt, or like, actually it's not felt, it's rubber on the bottom, but it slides pretty easily. Like, it'll slide if you want it to, but it doesn't if you don't want it to. So, I don't know, it's a weird thing to point out. Then I have room over here for something else. Maybe if I make some more flowers, I'll put them over there, because I have room now. Oh, you know what? I just thought of this. So I can slide this mirror under there. See? Voila. I just don't know what I'm going to do with my sponge. I guess I'll just leave it sitting there. I do have this thing too. I was going to use it for lashes. Maybe I should leave the sponge sitting on it when I'm not using it for soaking my eyelashes in. Okay, so kind of an overview of the desk now. It's hard to see, but it looks a lot better than it did. And all the products are neatly stacked in that little skinny organizer instead of in those things that were just in the way. So if this is helpful, definitely check out Home Goods if you're looking for stuff like that. They always have, I think that's where I got that organizer with the lipstick spots and everything in it. And I've also gotten the bigger lipstick ones that hold like 20-some lipsticks. So they always have the clear acrylic ones, most of the time anyways, that I've been there. And then just use these office organizers for everything else, and good to go. So anyways, hope that was helpful. Let me know what you think. If you have any suggestions on other videos, or if you're tired of seeing these desk organization videos, it should stay like this until I move again, which I don't know when that's going to be, but give this video a thumbs up if thought it was helpful. Hopefully you could see everything okay. It might look better when I'm editing than it does in the viewfinder. Hopefully that's the case. So anyways, I will see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss it. Bye. What was that? Bye. Bye.